circle. First step. Then divide the circle into 12 equal parts. Mark the numbering from 1 to 12 by taking care. 12th point is the bottom point. Opposite point will be the 6. Then mark remaining all points so that 7 and 5 will coincide, 8 and 4 will coincide, 9 and 3 will coincide, 10 and 2 will coincide, and then 11 and 1 will be coincide. Then find out the length 2 pi r, which is nothing but the circumference of the circle. Then draw a straight line with the 2 pi r length from the 12 and the point A. The same line from the 6 we can draw the 2 pi r length. Join A and B at B to 6, you will get the rectangular box. Okay? And then extend the lines 7, 5 up to B and 8, 4 up to B and then 9, 3 up to the end point and then 10 to 11, 1 and then join AB. Right? Now the next step is we have to divide the straight line 2 pi r length into 12 equal parts by using the method dividing a straight line into any number of equal parts. Here only 12 parts only. Okay? Extend those 1 to 12 points up to the axis of the center of the circle. Mark each point like C1, C2, C3, C4 up till C12. Here C means center. Center C1 means center 1, C2 means center 2, up till C12 means center 12. Now the circle radius. Okay? And then C1 is the center. Intersect the first line. Mark the point P1. The center C2. The same radius, circle radius. Intersect the second line. Mark the point P2. With the center C3 with the same circle radius and intersect the third line. Like that, all 12 lines we have to intersect and mark the points P1 to P12 by joining with the free hand the smooth curve you will get from P1 to P12. This is the required cycloidal curve traced by a point. Okay? Then you have to find out the tangent and normal. దీని తర్వాత ఏం అడిగాడు వాడు? Tangent normal అని అడిగాడు. చూడండి ఈ సైక్లాయిడల్ కర్వ్ మీద and the cycloidal curve at any point you can mark point M. M అనే పాయింట్ మార్క్ చేయండి. With the same circle radius. Okay? With the center M intersect the center line. Now from the center line you can draw the perpendicular line up to the 2 pi r length. This is the point N. Join the N and M. Join the N and M. This is the N dash. Okay, N and dash is the normal. Normal. Now draw the perpendicular line to the normal. This will be the tangent T dash. Okay, and ఈ కరువు మీద M అనే పాయింట్ లొకేట్ చేసుకోండి. ఎక్కడైనా పర్వాలేదు. అది సర్కిల్ రేడియస్తో అది సెంటర్గా చేసుకొని సెంటర్ పాయింట్ని ఇంటర్సెక్ట్ చేయండి. ఆ పాయింట్ నుంచి perpendicular line here. వచ్చిన పాయింట్ M తో జాయిన్ చేసి ఎక్స్టెండ్ చేయండి. You will get the normal. ఈ నార్మల్ కి perpendicular line here 90 degrees. This is the 90 degrees. Then you will get the tangent. And dash normal, T dash tangent. That's all. Okay.